Okay, sound test check number 5. So, I changed the audio settings a bit. As you can see here, I turned up the volumes for all of these settings to 30 now. See if the game is about to be just as loud enough as you guys can hear my voice. So yeah, let's get on with the test run. So after some experimenting for the past four sound test checks, I'm doing pretty well, like around the third or fourth. So third or fourth, I'm getting closer to getting to exact audio settings I just need. So let's see if I can do any better in this test. Okay, let's change up the setting a bit. Let's go to another stage here. And let's go to Adventures with Rebellion playing in the background. So let's go ahead and see how this works out.
Get ready.
Alright, here we go. Also, I changed the voice character's language to English, because, yeah.
Later, just get away.
I don't pull my punches. No promises you won't get caught up in the crossfire.
Not a problem. Don't hold back on my account.
You stop pressing hide, like, during his line, please. That's just too abrupt.
Can't escape from crossing fate.
Fight! Okay, whoa. Calm down. We just started, bro. Oh, why did I slip? I meant to, yeah, whatever. I'll improvise.
Not yet. It's not over yet.
Ooh.
Come on. Finish him.
Okay, this is something. Okay, buddy, calm down. Whoa, relax. Ooh, okay. Good time to not going to be perfect, so I can try out this other combo idea I thought of. We'll see in a sec. Here we go. Get ready. Ooh, we got the hit. Yes! Success!
Let's do that again.
Oh yes, please, baby girl. Let's do it again.
Win.
Let's do it again sometime. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. First try. Okay.
The weapon transforms too, right? And it looks just like Crescent Rose.
Alright, let's try the other combo. Let's have Ruby going first. So let's try this the other way around. We're gonna go with Ruby Cyclone's scythe attack thing that goes when she like lifts her scythe around, and then we'll have Ragna do the Carnage Scissors at the end. So let's see if let's see how cool that will look. Oh, ow. Nice. Timed that right. There we go. Let's go you first. I'm not done. Come here. Ooh, down you go. Ooh, that was close. Here, hide. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Crap. I picked it up. Ruby, hang in there. Oh, I can't do it because I don't have enough bars. Shoot. Oh well. It was worth a shot this round. I'm gonna try again next round, so for now I'm gonna take out hide real quick. Sit down!
Close, but I'd never lose to you.
You tell him, Ragna.
Ruby, Ragna, win.
You show him who's the boss. Alright, one more time. We can do it.
Get ready.
Just gotta remember, it's the other version, not the rose petals. Okay. I need to do this right, because I know it cost me some skill gauge bars, so you can keep that in mind.
Crossing fate.
Fight! Actually, you know what? Let me tag in Ragna, so I can like save Ruby for the combo starter. Just trying to play it safe here. Ooh! Oh, see ya. Aw, dang it. I was gonna fall with the air combo. Calm down, hide. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, I really tried. Okay, whoa, calm down. Alright, hide, do something. Alright, this is where she activates Resident Blaze. Yep, as I expected. Now, let me recover some health. So I actually, I'll damage him. Come on, get in the green. In the green, okay, that's good. Good. That should be, okay, that's kind of more than good enough. Oh shoot, I got him in the red anyway. Alright, improvising. Oh, wait.
All that power. I just had to know more about that thing.
FYI, I ain't doing it.
Ruby, Ragna, win.
Okay, so, didn't go away as I planned it.
The weapon transforms too, right?
So, I guess the special assist skill is it just automatically just turns to a grab, not Carnage Scissors. So that's kind of disappointing. Unless I'm supposed to do a certain input for the assist for him to come in and do that. But I guess the grab thing. I mean, I still got it. I kind of got the combo I wanted, a bit, sort of, even though it's not Carnage Scissors. Or one of the other combos, I mean, to be more specific. Be more. You guys get the idea. Anyway, let me, I'm gonna switch it up now. Let's go play with Yu Narukami with Hyde versus Ragna and Ruby. Wait, actually, hold on. Let me see the skin colors for the Hyde and Yu Narukami. So let's see what they look like here. Ooh. Okay. I like this last one. Alright, I'll play with that. And here's Hyde. Let's see. Oh, I like this one. I'm going with this. Okay. Alright, which is Ruby and Ragna. Let's change up the scenery once more. Oh wait, I think we were here last time, right? Must be. I don't know. I can't remember. Let's go. You know what? Why not? Let's go to the training area. Let's play. Let's do some training here. So might as well test out some things. Hopefully the audio quality is good. I mean the audio sound is good, like the level of it, along with my mic. Alright, here we are at a training center.
I don't pull my punches. No promises you won't get caught up in the crossfire.
Not a problem. Don't hold back on my account. Persona!
What did I say?
Oh, your weapon looks so cool.
Do that later. Just get away.
I mean, look at the weapon colors between Ragna and Ruby. They're like almost the exact same. I feel like they can like relate to each other in a way. I don't know. Almost Crow, maybe. Imagine if Crow and Ragna do. Think about how they would interact with each other, dude. That would be sick. Oh, by the way, I'm dying. Hello? Oh, we need to fix that. Okay. Whoa. Relax. Relax, girl. Settle down. Oh, this is the more thorough one. Oh! Okay, so I have to use the A button compared to the Y version. Okay, alright, let me just do this. Or just do that. Okay. Oh yeah, this will hurt. About bringing the pain to you. Wait, what if I could do this mid-air? Dude, that'd be sick. Come on, what if I can Oh, whoa, whoa, no, 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 I don't die. I don't die. Okay, you're living somehow. Oh, I can't fall in the air. Oh, okay, okay, switch. That's close. That was way too close. Okay, hide. Come here. Oh, it didn't work. No, hide! Ah! How dare you kill Hyde? Okay, no, you're not winning this. You're gonna pay for your friend. Oh, whoa, no. What the? I'm dead.
Close, but I'd never lose to you.
Oh, Ragnar, we're gonna need to fix that attitude of yours. We're gonna change that. You got lucky that time, you know. I'm not letting you get away with that. Not how I planned it that time. So let's try this again once more, please, and hopefully. I have to be quick and swift. Come here, girl. Oh, whoa. Ow. Ooh, yeah. Hey, where do you think you're going? Oh, Rock, you bastard. Okay, this should be enough. Let's try this.
So that's the power of the bond, huh? Yeah, this is mine. No, our power.
You hide. Win.
Yeah, Ragnar, what are you gonna say about that, huh? Yeah, that's right. Nothing! That's what I thought.
It exists, huh? I can't see any limits to its power. Just how strong is it?
Whoa! Don't just jump in front of me like that! I mean, you're good, but my right hand won't listen to me.
What do you mean don't jump in front of him? You're the one that jumped in front of you. What? Alright, I'm gonna end it here, guys. That's the end of the sound test check. Thanks for watching / listening.